Welcome to my channel. This is the reason why you are not making money from forex trading. Is because you can't control yourself. If you can control yourself, you will make money in forex trading. Let me explain. If you can't control your fears, there is no way you will make money in forex trading. If you don't know how to hold yourself and say, okay, I'm not going to enter trade right now because it's not the time, or this setup is not my setup. If you cannot hold yourself back to wait for your setup, there is no way you will make money in forex trading. If you can't master your strategy or hold yourself so you can follow your trading rules, there is no way you will make money in forex trading. So you need to control yourself, master your strategy, and follow your trading plans or rules. If you cannot do this, there is no way you will make money in forex trading. So you are not making money today. It's not because of forex is hard. It's not because of you, as in you don't know how to trade. It's because of you have not put in enough work to control yourself. Yeah, maybe I've been doing it for years. Yes, I've tried, but you need to add more effort. You need to learn how to control yourself. Because if you can control yourself in forex trading, you will make money. Because you'll be able to wait for your strategy to complete before you take a trade. You will be able to control your fears. If you can control yourself, you will be able to control all those stuff that is making you not to make money, all those habits that is making you not to make money. Let's go to the chart, guys.
So this is what I'm looking at today, guys. But before I do that, let me recap the analysis I did on Friday. It played out. So when I was doing my analysis on Friday, gold were somewhere here, this particular candle. And I told you guys that if gold take out this low, which is change of character, and come back to it, I will sell gold. So when gold did change of character here, then came back to this bearish engulfing, so I sold gold here, and you can see that it massively dropped, even still dropping. So the Friday analysis played out 100%. So I don't know if you guys took the trade. So if you did took this trade, comment, just leave your comment about it. So this is what I'm looking at today, guys. You can see that this is higher low and this is the lower low, and gold just broke this lower low by 5 a.m. and gold have not tested it. So gold coming back to this level to test this previous lower low, but this is the new lower low right now. It's good for we to sell gold here, because if gold want to follow market structure, definitely it will sell from here. We might see gold get to this level or this. If gold wants to follow market structure, there is no need to be afraid. If you sell gold here and it take us out, fine, it's okay, because what we are losing is part of what we made already. It's not that we are losing our capital, we are losing just part of our profit, because I made over 1 to 2 here. So if I lose this trade, it's nothing. So there is no need to be afraid. So if gold gets to this level, it's good to sell and let your stop be here, and let's see if gold will follow market structure. Definitely it's going to drop. And another level here, the reason why I'm kind of thinking that here might fail is because of this zone here. This is also a 4 hours support. Gold have already hasn't touched it. So if gold want to start buying, maybe here is the point or the level that it might start the buying. So we might start seeing something like this coming. Let me go to 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the zone I'm talking about. So you can call this lower low, higher high, and higher low. The market take out this lower, coming back to it, you might see gold keep moving up. So, but the same time, if gold want to continue selling, definitely it will respect this and drop. And we don't know whether gold will continue selling or not. So that's why we don't have to be afraid. We just take our trade. If we lose it, fine. Losing is allowed. It's part of the forex trading. But there is something I'm seeing here again. This is bearish engulfing on this 4 hours time frame. So there is a possibility if gold go here, it will drop. Because definitely, if they come back to this bearish engulfing, they might want to see drop it. So this is the reason why we have to take our trade and let whatever want to happen. Also on this daily time frame, you see something I point out on 4 hour time frame: lower low, higher high, and higher low. Then you take it out, coming back to it. If you want to follow market structure, you might see something like this. But let's go back to 1 hour time frame. We don't have to be afraid. We take our trade. Let whatever want to happen. So on this 1 hour time frame right now, if gold come back here, let's sell. Unless if we see this kind of setup before then we might leave the sell. Maybe for instance gold still drop down, then give us something like this, take out here. Then if you're coming back to here, you don't need to sell. No, don't sell, because we're supposed to take buy from here. You're supposed to buy gold from here. So if it's getting to this level, you don't need to sell again. So if we say a buy confirmation before gold get to this zone, we don't need to sell again. And this is another setup for a sell. You can also see something like this, but definitely, or we might see 2 candles after this buy close. Maybe we might see another buy candle close without getting to here. Then if we see a break of this low, they come back, we can still sell gold somewhere here. That's another sell setup we can take if we see it. So I've given 2 buy, as in 2 scenario for a sell and 1 scenario for a buy. So this is another scenario for a buy here. If we can see something like this, which is gold doing change of character, or some people call it shift of structure, then coming back to here, we can also look for a buy. Or if we see another support area somewhere here or anywhere around this area before gold take out this high, we can use those zone as our entry point, or if you wish, you can still use this one as your entry point. So that is the scenario for a buy. I've given 2 scenarios for a buy and 2 scenarios for a sell. So I guess there is no more scenario here right now. I think that the 2 I've given for a buy and 2 I've given for a sell, one of them will definitely play out today. Yeah, one of them will definitely play out today. So if you pay attention and have an open mind and remove fear and follow this, or just keep watching until market presents itself, or you see this setup, you take your trade. There is no way we will not, as definitely we have a setup to trade today, and by the grace of God we can still win it today. So guys, let's see how this scenario or analysis will play out today. Stay safe and God bless.